Welcome. You have arrived at the perfect time. Release your external responsibilities and step into the quiet, sacred architecture of your own soul. Close your eyes and breathe deep. Feel yourself becoming centered, steady, and vast. We are moving beyond the distractions of the world to touch the truth of who you are. Do not try to force a change. Instead, become a vessel for the light. We are engaging in a frequency of remembrance, clearing old patterns to make space for your most authentic expression. Inhale light into every corner of your being, and exhale everything that is not yours to carry. Receive this. We begin now.
Ekatarana kera sheo kakakesho etera toda taradesho keraka ekoka ereto tora tashanaka ereta tara kara karaka toka karadoka mega so ereto toka kasho ereta tara katoka Katoka ereko tasho karatasho ma, ereta toka koratasha, eresho ko, ereta tora kashoka, ereka mata, karamata ereka kosha, karatosha esheka kora, ereka tora kesha, keritaka kesho, Ereto tora kashoka karatesho, eretka ko, karatoka kera, ereka kora tesho, ereta ta, karatara tasho, ereko orota ta, karato, karareko, erakatara, karakatara matara kesho, karatera, etera tatera keshoka ke, ereka kora karateko, Karateko ereta tora kasho marata ereta tara, kararata tara ereka to karesho oreta tara, kereneka kesho etesho taratesho, ereka kota tara meka karameka oreka tora ta, Karatara eteshu itaratashu, karareka uroka toka, karatoka oh, ereta tora keshu, karaneshu kerataka, karataka oreka korataka, ereta tora tasho, karatasho ereka koranaka, karanaka ereta to, ereka ma, karamata tara, isheka kora tasho, karanasho, ereta tora ka, karamaka ke, ereta tora ka, karamaka ke, ereta ta, kareka kosha, ereta tara, ereka ko, karareka ko, ereta to, she, itora tata, tate, kerete, ishika ma, karama, ereka tara, taka, karatesho, oroka, ereka o tatara, rata, kasho, karaneka tora, itota tara, kareka, eroka, karaneka ma, ereta ta, kasheko ro, ereta ta, kasheko ma, itara tesho, karanaka kera, ereka kara kasho, karamaka tera, itera, tota, ita shoka kasho, ishoka kasho maratasho, kara teka, ereka tora ta, ereka tora ta, kareka karanaka, isheka kesho, karamasho, ereta toka, karanako, ereta ereta kara kasho, karanaka reta tera marata kora, kareka kora eroka kasho, eroka tatara kara, eroka tatara kara, ereka me, kerame, ereta to, karatora reka, eroka kara, eroka so matasho, karaneka esho, tatara, eshoka, kashoka, karatera roka kera, ereka tora, karatasho, etata te, kerena, ereta to, karatero to, etoka kesho, ereta toka kesho, karaneka ko, ereta tora ka, karanaka ko, ereta tora kasho, karanasho, ereta tora naka, karaneka ma, ereta tora, ereta.
Slowly return your focus to the present moment. Feel your connection to the earth, grounded and fully present in your physical form. Sit with this feeling of expansion. The activations you have just received are already integrating into your cellular memory. You are reclaiming your truth. As you move forward, remember that this clarity is not temporary. It is your baseline. You are the master of your own resonance. I am honored to hold this space with you. To further your journey or to request a private remote activation, please visit JeanetteGibson.com. Walk in sovereignty.